All right, the drink we're about to make is called Royal Peach. We're going to serve this as a chilled shot. And we're going to pour some ice in a glass and on your hand and on the floor. And measure out 1 ounce of Crown Royal, or any Canadian whiskey that you have on hand. And we'll follow that up with 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Okay. And we're going to give it a good shake. All right. Get it nice and cold. Royal Peach is much better when it's nice and chilled. All right, 2 shot glasses. And your strainer. And we'll go ahead and pour it in. There we are. And that is a Royal Peach. Should have a nice peach flavor to it. Bottoms up.